Hey guys, Soon here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing two different items. It's gonna be from two different brands and we're gonna talk about which is the worst company when it comes to shipping and delivery. I thought about doing two separate unboxing, but this time, I figure let's talk about this one brand and show how ridiculous it is when it comes to shipping. And some of you guys could already guess what the one brand is, but the other one, it'll be a surprise. So I made a video a while back about the Antisocial Social Club and how they are shipping almost their product 3 months after the initial order and purchases. They are being produced after the order, and once it's ordered about 3 months, which is kind of what they are providing as their SLA, they start to ship it out. Within 3 months, they are providing the goods. So for the most part, Antisocial Social Club, we know what to expect from them. And it's kind of known fact and known amongst the hypebeast community that they do have shipping delays when it comes to their production and shipping out the orders to us. So no surprise to us, one of the items that I do have here is from them. But this time, it's a little different because I got it as a special order. I was in Trader Joe's, and when I got an email that says, "Hey, special order specific for you as a member, and you have so many minutes to go ahead and get it as an exclusive offer." Let me find the email for this particular one. So here I got an email, member only exclusive. It told me not to share the link, and if you want this t-shirt, go ahead and click the link and go ahead check out. And then once I carded it, I think it gave me about 10-15 minutes to get it. So I talked it through with my wife and said, "Hey, do you want this or not?" And we decided to get it, and it's a t-shirt. Again, I don't know how exclusive it is, but the promotion was that it is exclusive. It's a black t-shirt with the Antisocial Social Club brand here, and the tag with the Antisocial Social Club. What was a pretty cool design was the back here, which starts it out with dark floral print. So I thought this was dope, so I decided to go with this one. Size medium, I believe I got for Antisocial Social Club t-shirt. It should fit me just right. Again, this is very minimalistic t-shirt with the black and very gray floral prints. You may or may not be able to see logo that well, but this is the t-shirt I got. So I got the email for the order on August 8th, and maybe this is because the exclusive member only, it actually surprisingly came fast. It didn't take me 3 months. Again, right now is August 23rd. I bought it on August 8th when I got the email, and I'm trying to find the shipping time for you guys. And within a couple of days of order, I got the email saying that it's coming, and pretty much within 2 weeks it came here, which again for me was very surprising for Antisocial. This is what they need to do. They really need to start doing this, whether it be a member exclusive or not, but really have a goods within 2-3 weeks of order. Even if it's 2-3 weeks, that would be great. Not something that's gonna take more than 3 months. The other item, which may be coming as a surprise to us, will be a Cactus Jack Travis Scott brand. I have almost 3 orders with them right now, and one of them is actually finally shipped, which was ordered May 28th. So 3 months and finally started having the shipping printed, and I have it on the way here. So that's another one to look out for unboxing. But another order I have, which I ordered April 24th, came not so long ago, about a month ago. So ordered April, came July. But here's a catch. I ordered 2 items for that drop. One of them was a t-shirt which came. The other one I'll talk about when I get it finally, but it's still up in the air as to where it is or when the order will be fulfilled and finally shipped. So let's kind of go ahead and open this one up, and again kind of show what I ordered, but at the same time talk about how bad the shipping is and delivery of the goods that you purchase. And it ain't cheap, I'll just say that. Like, it's t-shirts and accessories that you order. I mean, you're talking about taking 3-4 months for you to get it after you paid everything up front. It really is crazy because sometimes you forget about it, and for me, I forget about the orders I get, and sometimes I get a random UPS or USPS notification say something is on the way, and then I have to go back and look at it. I was like, oh yeah, I totally forgot I ordered this, and it's 3-4 months after the fact that I ordered. But for Cactus Jack, I did get the Fortnite long sleeve So you see the Cactus Jack with Fortnite. On the back, you have the Cactus Jack logo kind of looking like a PlayStation, and then different sponsors for the brand, right? So, and then on the long sleeve itself, we have the logo Cactus Jack again, and then the other sleeve doesn't really have anything. Again, for this I kind of kept it low key, something that I could wear in and out without really being too crazy noticeable, but all I wanted was this Cactus Jack logo on the front and obviously the Fortnite collab that was dropping. It's a long sleeve black t-shirt, so my time to wear this is slowly coming up with fall season. So I guess it's okay that almost towards the end of August that I finally got this. I got it in size medium, but again, it took me 3 months for me to get this. But again, along with this Cactus Jack Fortnite collab, I did get one accessory. You guys could start guessing what it may be, but that one, again, like I said, I ordered April 24th and it's still nowhere to be found. If I do go on the site to check on my order, it does say it's still in progress and they're still working in progress to get it shipped to me. But right now is August 23rd, so almost 4 months exact since I ordered. So I'll keep you guys posted and see how long it takes. And when it finally comes, I'll show you guys what I got. But that being said, I just wanted to kind of show two t-shirts that I got in black. Compare, again, probably one of the two worst company when it comes to shipping and delivery for me, at least from my experience. Somehow keep ordering from them, so they must be doing something right outside of the delivery of the goods. I'll give you guys a closer look as always, and we'll wrap it up. I'll catch you guys next time.